Hello friends, I'm Esan from ebangaloreproperty.com. This is Comfy Home number 91, brand new premium independent house, walkable distance from Kanakpura main road, Banshangri 6 stage BDA layout, just 1.8 kilometers from Talgatpura metro station, 20 by 30 BDA allotted site, 30 feet wide tar road is there in front, west facing site, north facing door, all planned as per Vastu, 3 BHK triplex house with an additional room in the ground floor along with car parking. Ground plus 3 floors fully built. All modern interiors included, granite flooring. Beautiful elevation with granite stone cladding. Full closed gate. Safety grill is also provided. So this is a complete secured parking. One large car and multiple two-wheelers can be parked. One room with bathroom is there. We will see it later. The property has got own borewell. Kaveri water lines are also available. Meter can be taken. So in the entrance, north facing main door, wall cladding work is done. PVC ceiling with LED lighting. Solid teakwood main door. Main door and puja room teakwood. Other door, windows and shutters, salwood. Window shutters. First floor you have living, dining, kitchen, puja room and common bathroom. Spacious living with window roadside facing. TV cabinet, glossy laminates are provided. POP false ceiling LED lighting. Completely granite flooring. UPS inverter provision is there below the steps. Stainless steel railing. Southeast corner, this is kitchen with quartz platform. Separate wash basin is also there. Full wall tiles. LPG gas cylinder pipeline is provided from the parking area. Tandem boxes, SS cabinets, all included. Right in the northeast corner you have puja room. Teakwood door for the puja room, west facing. And this is common bathroom, common toilet actually. 3 attached, 1 common toilet, additional room with bathroom in the ground floor. 2400 square feet of super built up area. Bathrooms will have Jaguar brand fittings, Lisha brand switches and Phenolex brand wiring. Now let's see the second floor. Second floor, 2 bedroom, 2 attached bathroom with balcony. In the center you have this study area. Study table with bookshelf. Master bedroom roadside facing, southwest corner. So this is a large wardrobe unit, wall to wall. Glossy laminates, twin color. Attached bathroom and balcony is there for this master bedroom. Roadside facing balcony with SS and glass railing. As I mentioned, 30 feet wide tar road is there in front of the property. Very good location. Bus stop, BMTC bus stop is walkable distance. Kanakpura main highway is also walkable distance. This is the bathroom here. Attached bathroom. Mixer, wall mounted toilet, hand wash basin will be provided. Jaguar brand. And this is the second bedroom with attached bathroom. long bathroom, up to ceiling level wall tiles, wardrobe and dressing mirror. Third floor, in the staircase area you have a natural skylight, and this is the third bedroom. All the bedrooms have unique design laminates. In the kitchen you had acrylic laminates similar to the room below, wardrobe, tall mirror unit and attached bathroom. Further, this is semi-open terrace area. For this, safety metal door is provided. Roadside facing, RCC slab is there. To the left side you can see laundry area, washing machine can be kept. So proper RCC slab open towards the road. Ladder is provided to reach the terrace on top. Overhead tank is there. 2400 square feet of super built up area. This goes to the terrace. Covered door is there. Now we are back on the ground floor. Ground floor towards eastern side setback space is given for ventilation purpose, and this is an additional room with a attached bathroom. Can be used as a guest room, home office as per your requirement. So this is Comfy 91 located in Banashankari 6 stage BDA layout off Kanakpura Road. Please call the given number for site visit. We have multiple options. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.